guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on a video clip in Davinci Resolve 18. So here I have my basic video clip playing of a car coming out of a curve. So the first thing you want to do to animate your zoom effect in Resolve is go to upper right corner and click Inspector. Now under the Transform tab where you have Zoom option, go ahead and click on this diamond over here to insert a keyframe. Now go back to your timeline. I'm going to play and stop my video to the place where I want the zoom effect to start. And now when you click and drag the value left and right, it's going to zoom in and out. This will also create an animation keyframe at that point. Now play the video again and change the zoom at a future keyframe, and Davinci Resolve will automatically interpolate your zoom animation between those areas. So here again, I'm doing it toward the end of my video clip. And by doing this, I'm creating even more keyframes throughout my video. So when I play it, the video will zoom in and out between those keyframes that I created earlier. And that's pretty much how you zoom in and out on a video clip in Davinci Resolve 18.